So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get Facebook live chat support. So after you open up now your Facebook app like this now, so most of the time if you come to this menu, after you come to this menu, now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, if you scroll to down, go to this help and support. So from the help and support button, now if you tap on this help center, so as you can see now, most of the time if you tap on the help center, as you can see now, it's not opening. As you can see now, it just kept loading, it's not working. So in order for you now to find the live chat for the Facebook, all you have to do now, close the Facebook app and go and open up your browser. After you open the browser, go and search for Facebook. As you can see now, tap on this option now, search for Facebook support live chat. This one, Facebook support live chat. Just go and search for Facebook support live chat like this. After you search for Facebook support live chat, like as you can see now, Facebook support live chat or Facebook support chat like this. So just go back and search. After you search like this, now scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, there is this option now. As you can see now here is option m.facebook.com. As you can see now, m.facebook.com means meta.facebook.com. So if you tap on this option now, it will allow you now to see the live chat for the Facebook. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.